Hello, welcome to Critic USA. The DeLorean has long stood as a symbol of futuristic ambition, made iconic by its gull-wing doors and sleek stainless steel body. But this version takes that legacy to an entirely new level. Presented in a modern studio with high-end lighting, the reimagined DeLorean now arrives in a matte brown color with bold black accents, embodying both sophistication and raw power. The exterior styling has been completely overhauled, featuring an aggressive wide-body kit that enhances its stance and gives it a commanding road presence. This isn't just a redesign, it's a reinvention. The front of the vehicle is radically transformed. A custom grille leads the charge, flanked by piercing LED headlights and sharp daytime running lights that cut through the ambient lighting with precision. Integrated into the modified front bumper are LED light bars, giving the car a futuristic glow and increased visibility. These additions, combined with sharp body lines and aerodynamic enhancements, give this DeLorean an assertive, almost beast-like face. It's clear this car is not meant to blend in, it's designed to turn heads. Moving to the sides, the deep matte brown finish is complemented by sculpted black elements that highlight the car's modern contours. The wheel arches are widened to accommodate the massive off-road tires with aggressive tread patterns, mounted on custom sporty alloy wheels. These aren't just cosmetic. The stance and grip suggest serious performance capabilities, possibly geared toward both high-speed urban cruising and all-terrain dominance. The ground clearance is significantly raised compared to the original model, adding a rugged touch that's rarely seen on sports cars. The tinted windows add an extra layer of mystique while enhancing the seamless black and brown visual contrast. Around the rear, sharp LED taillights span the width of the car, bringing a modern aesthetic while echoing the original DeLorean's boxy heritage. Every detail has been carefully crafted, from the high-gloss carbon fiber trim to the precise panel gaps, all brought to life under hyper-realistic 8K studio lighting. There's a bold vision here, not just to modify a classic, but to create an icon for the future. The balance of heritage and high-tech execution makes this DeLorean one of the most exciting reinterpretations we've seen. It manages to be nostalgic without being outdated, aggressive without being overwhelming, and luxurious without compromising its performance-ready attitude. If you're passionate about futuristic car designs, concept builds, and automotive transformations, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more epic showcases and in-depth reviews.